Da Nang, Vietnam. We're on our way to the beach, famous beach. Ano dito? Stretch of Long Beach, Makeway. Tama ba? Mikey.
Lapit-lapit na. Makeway.
Oo.
Ang hirap kasi
Ano dito? More laid back compared to Ho Chi Minh. And mas malinis ang kalye, wider roads. Mga ganitong oras, mga 8 o'clock, ano na, grabe ng traffic sa Ho Chi Minh. Pero dito medyo light ang traffic. Ito ang kanilang intersection. Oo, marami dito cars. Balance na. Optical shop.
Lapad daw ang kalye.
Lapad ang kalye nila. Ito yung main highway nila. Lumipat kami ng hotel kasi ini-scam kaming mabuti dun sa Palazzo Boutique Hotel. I will not recommend that hotel kasi we booked a family suite initially, but they gave us 2 regular rooms na hindi namin nagustuhan. And then ang nakakabigla, nung bumalik na kami to get our luggages, charge kami ng airport shuttle fee, which is dapat libre, free dapat airport shuttle. So hindi ako pumayag. Sabi ko, may mga chat messages sa akin, pinabasa ko sa kanya na third party pala, na hindi daw nila kilala. So sabi ko, hindi ko problema yon, malamang inside job. May nag-provide ng details namin ng flight, and then binook kami sa labas. I don't know kung ano nangyari, pero hindi ko binayaran yung pinapabayad sa akin kasi nga ang napagkasunduan namin, it's a free airport pickup. So ang suggestion ko lang dito sa Vietnam, be very careful kasi ang mga tao dito parang maraming gusto mag-take advantage. So dapat pag kayo magte-transport, gamit na lang kayo ng Grab instead of taxi, kasi paiikot-ikutin siguro kayo dito hanggang tumaas yung metro. So yun lang isang payo namin sa inyo as a traveler dito sa Vietnam. Mag-ingat sa mga scams. Going to the beach. Yan, magsuswimming siya. Maraming souvenir shops. Ayan, may mga siguro mga nagba-breakfast. Ito, ready to swim in the beach. Actually, may mga nagsiswimming. Ayun, no, may mga tao ako nakikita. Wow. Dito may shower, CR, restroom. Ito may mga kainan. So they're ready to swim. Yan. Many come here to relax. Eugene will try and fly the drone. This is Danang City Center. Ang cool naman ng car na yon. Small park. And dito ay is HB. I think this is a bank or a department store. I'm not sure. Tapos dito may gym. Tapos ito ang pinaka main highway dito sa Danang City Center. And we're going to explore the fresco or art street. Ano to, eskinita na may mga paintings or murals sa mga dingding. Hello, xin chào. Yan, so this is called the Fresco Village. Fresco which means art. So kita nyo may mga may mga murals dito sa eskinita. Papa-stay on one side lang ha. Yan, ito mga eskinita. Residential houses ito na may mga murals or painting sa mga walls. Medyo tipak-tipak na yung mga yan. Ito may parang rainbow art. Ano to, influence ng French sa kanila. Rainbow. Yan. Ito paggawaan ng electronics. Ito naman ay tindahan, parang sari-sari store. Mini grocery. And tapos ayun, cute naman ito. And this one, ganda. Eskinita. Then we proceed to murals pa rin. Painted murals. Ay, ito butterfly. This is a residential area, kaya iba-ibang parang ito. Yan. Okay. Sorry. Yan. May flag ng Vietnam. Boats nila. Xin chào. Xin chào. Hello. I'm good. Thank you. I think this is a school. Elementary school. Yan, mga bahay nila may mga parang altar. Kasi nga Buddhism ang pinapractice nila dito. Hindi, itong kitchen nila. Hello, xin chào. Morning. Now we are entering the market of Danang. Luma-luma yung building, oh. Fresh flowers. And these are mga dahon-dahon and lime. And these are fresh fruits. Xin chào. Yung mukhang masarap yung niluluto ni nanay doon, no? Oo. Kunan ko lang, papa. Yan, no? Noodles. Xin chào. Wow. Ano siya ng, baka. Oo, pata. Wow, parang bulalo. Oo, wow. Try natin ha, mamaya. na tayo dito. Gusto mo bumili ng ano? Ng fruits, Papa? Ito, vegetables. Hello!
Hello, Cynthia.
Vegetables. Eggs. Fresh. Very fresh.
Gamit yung mga ano.
Người bị gì đâu mà nhỏ bé thế.
They also have upo. Ay, what's this? Parang samotsari. Para siguro to, ay, ito yung kinain natin. Oo. Oo, yun, kakaiba. Hello. Ito, mga fresh na, onions and garlic. And ginger. Turmeric. Turmeric, ginger. Seaweeds. Mga itlog. Eggs. Quail eggs. Yeah. Chicken eggs. Sinchaw. Ito yung kanilang parang mini market dito sa Danang. Ito mga meat section and fish. Hello. Sinchaw. Oh, not very fresh, very fresh. Seafoods. Yeah, clams, you have dilis. Ito, ang dami rin, no? Ciao. May galunggong din sila, oh. Ito, ibang klaseng fish. Yan. Iba-iba din ang fish nila, oh. Tapos ito parang squid.
Ito parang ano?
Eel? Ito pangat. Meron din silang pangat, oh. Ito different rice papers. This is incense. Incense. Yeah, for their offering.
Đi quay chợ.
This is jackfruit. Jackfruit. They're chopping the noodles, the rice noodles that they use in pho. Yan, tas pinapack nila and ready for delivery. Sinchaw!
Siguro yan ano. Dito ginagawa.
Oo.
Binibili sa kanila.
Very fresh. Yan. Let's go na, Papa. Come on! Ito mga fermented nila. At yung tofu. So now we're going out the market. We're about to eat bumba.
Bilang sugar cane na.
Sige, sige. Okay. So ito famous dito, parang snack. Yung katabi ko dito may mga taktak, parang bulalo. Yan, pinapangas niya pa. Yan si Lola nagluluto. Ito yung ingredients. And on the table, they have lime and chili. Yan. These are the locals buying and eating bumba. Bumba. Eat their bumba. Let's taste it. Okay, first the broth. Let's taste the broth. Meron siyang iba-ibang laman loob. Tapos, merong pork blood. Let's taste the broth first.
Philippine sabit and lit very well.
What? Again?
Philippine sabit and lit very well.
Speak English very well, yes. Because in the Philippines, in school, they teach us English. Here, Vietnam, no English. In school,
A little bit.
little bit. So, iba lasa niya. Hindi siya lasang bulalo. More of parang ma-herbs pa rin. Tapos yung soup niya hindi gaanong mainit, yung sobrang init. Hindi yung piping hot. Tapos ang noodles niya, manipis. Yan. Okay, so we'll enjoy this noodle dish called bumba. Now we'll get to see the Dragon Bridge. The Dragon Bridge holds a spectacular position in the vibrant city of Da Nang, Vietnam. This iconic bridge gracefully spans across the mighty Han River. This 2,185-foot-long bridge, shaped like a golden dragon, is the most famous bridge over the Han River in downtown Da Nang. On weekend nights, the dragon comes to life in quite an unusual way. The bridge is close to traffic, and the massive dragon head on the east end of the bridge releases bursts of flames and water in a spectacular night show. Prepare to get wet if you stand on the bridge near the head.
Inig. Oh.
You can also enjoy the fire-breathing dragon, watching it from afar on a dragon cruise with a delicious Vietnamese dinner alongside the dragon dinner cruise. kami ng pwede namin makainan. Tingnan nyo po dito sa Danang. May mist sa taas pa kasi mainit, no? So dito, this is a seafood restaurant na kumain kami the other day. Kita nyo yung Dragon Bridge. Yan si Eugene, tsaka si Jacob. And we're about to cross the road. Hanap kami ng restaurant na pwede namin makainan. Kasi dito sa tapat marami dyan street food. Eh, kita nyo po doon, tabing river. Kaya lang napansin namin, hindi hygienic. Katabi ng mga basura. So, pili na lang kami ng iba. Yan, okay. So, let's try. May choices. Oh, okay. Okay, okay na. At ano, may choices siya. For 3. Thank you. You have a very nice restaurant.
Thank you so much.
Oh, nice. So, this is Lang Quan Vietnamese Cuisine Restaurant. We will have our dinner here, early dinner. Hello. Oh, nice. Ang cute ng decors nila. Yan, mga talagang ano nila. Sauce na to na masarap is Nook, ma'am?
Yes, that's
So mixture siya ng garlic, chili, vinegar,
Yeah.
sugar,
Yes, that's right.
fish sauce.
That's right.
Kaya lang hangin.
Nook, ma'am. Yummy. Jacob, yummy.